Alexis here with Alliance. I'm at one of the most sought after expos of 2026. I got a ticket. I'm taking you with me, Ulta Beauty World. Let's see what we can learn from this expo. Let's go. All right, walking into Ulta Beauty World 2026, and wow, oh my goodness, the first impression, it is striking. Everything hits you right away. The carpet, the lighting, the layout. It's giving full Instagram moment the second you walk in. Like, you don't have to try too hard. Every angle is an Instagram worthy moment. But what's interesting is it's minimal. It's not overly done. It's clean, intentional, and honestly really smart. They let the design do the work without it being so overwhelming. Now, quick, real talk. There was actually a small fire breakout here yesterday. And if you've been around events, you already know things don't always go as planned. It's all about how fast you pivot, and clearly they handled it. Everything looks great, minimal damage, and experience didn't miss a beat. So that alone, impressive. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna walk you through the show and some of the coolest things happening inside. Let's go. All right, I'm putting all my goodies away. So they give you this passport. Let's put this down like this. There we go. All right, so they give you this passport. You go around to each booth, and your passport stamped. I'll get out of the way. And then they tell you about their brand, their product. This particular RMS I've loved so far. They have the big, bright, bold red color. I love me some American red, of course. Team Alliance, let's go. But I just love their whole gimmick, that it was very interactive. And I heard Elaine actually had something to do with the marketing. Yes! I loved your marketing for this.
Thank you so much.
I work with Alliance, and we do hotel-based expos.
Yes.
So I'm showing here like the trends to show managers for expos, and I just love the way you did this.
Thank you so much.
I love it.
Kept it classic, cool, confident, and clean.
And it totally comes off that way.
And you look like you work with
I do. I love red. All right, thanks, Elaine.
Awesome, thanks.
Amazing. What I've been seeing is big, bold, bright colors, minimalistic when it comes to the booth, or just huge flowers, big floral backdrops. It's all about Instagram-worthy shots. So each booth, I'm gonna show you a few, has minimalistic font, backlighting, neon, different things like that. And then it will also have an area that has big floral arrangements, anything that people can come up and take photos with, or video, to have that opportunity with the brand in mind. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Everything is clean, cool, modern with their name. And then right over here, they have that big floral arrangement with their name in the neon, and everything out for those Instagram shots. They have some cool stickers out here. You can go ahead and take some stickers. They have bags and a little cotton candy machine. This is adorable. The cotton candy looks a little sad. It's a little sad in there, but probably still tastes delicious. We're gonna spin it. 3, 2, 1. No whammies. Oh, that was such a bad spin. I'm so sad. Okay, ready? Here we go. I feel like I'm in Price is Right.
Well, I feel like we always need to practice.
$1. It's the same one.
That's a good one. That's a great shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, I'm excited. Thanks. Beautiful. Wow. All right, we are chugging along here. I'm really looking for booths that stand out to me. The colors for here for Ulta Beauty obviously are pink into orange with an ombre. So any booths that do not have that color stick out to me right away. So that's something important. Sometimes people want to just blend in, but the stick out is really what's up. Hi, how are you?
We're cool.
I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we found a trend with these bar stools. Such a good idea. Once again, just pulling from that 50s soda shop. I love it. They have the gumball machine, the signage. I am loving this trend. So Instagram area, look how cute, minimalistic it is. It is so cute. Another little spot for Instagram. I'm obsessed. Hi, this is amazing. Blown away by this booth. They have the product tucked right in there. A life-size product. Here's where all the real work happens. Oh my goodness. How smart. They did a glam bot, so they have the product in it. What a good marketing tactic, because who doesn't love a glam bot?
Walking the floor, one thing was super clear. Everything is built for interaction. This isn't just a look at the product, it's touch it, try it, film it, share it. Every booth feels like a moment you actually want to pull out your camera for. And that's what's getting brands noticed now, not just being seen, but the whole experience. I also noticed something smart. There's space to pause, reset, have a conversation. You're not being rushed through the environment. For show managers, that balance matters. High energy, but still human. Because when people feel good in the space they're actually in, they stay longer, engaged, and they actually remember the brand.
We did it. Ulta Beauty World 2026. Full-size products in there. I didn't even stay for the whole thing. I am just exhausted. I will say, if you do run events, today was all about connection, and that was the biggest takeaway for me, is that the people who were at the booths were really engaged. Even though they had a ton of people that they had to go through, each person was so personable, and that was fantastic to see. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. I love Team Alliance, so make sure you go to the Hotel Show Pros for your hotel-based events. I'll see you later. I'm out of here. You know what? Make sure you subscribe for more on the Alliance channel. We'll see you there.